Well, you might have seen those scenes many times since you got up this morning, those scenes at Ground Zero there. But now here's something that you haven't seen.
Pictures taken by Clark County firefighters as they were searching through what they refer to as the pile. News 13's Dave Malkoff joins us now to share with us what they saw there. Dave?
You know, Kathy, just days after the attacks, a team of rescue workers from right here, including Metro Police and Clark County firefighters, suited up and flew to New York. Now, just like you and me, they'd seen it all on TV, but once you get to Ground Zero, it becomes very real. Another routine rescue call at Clark County Station 18. When they got the call September 11th, all that training paid off.
I was put in that position of task force leader for that particular deployment.
This was just days after the 11th. Carl Lee ran the operations. Greg Shipley helped out.
I'm what's called a search specialist.
They were the top team from Southern Nevada, trained by the feds. The first challenge was getting there. Since no planes could fly at that time, the firefighters took off from Nellis Air Force Base.
Everybody in the back of their minds thinking, okay, we're going to be the ones, when we get there, we're going to find everybody, there's going to be survivors and everything.
That optimism continued the entire flight, even as they walked towards the pile.
We were just ready to get working, start tearing up things.
But then they saw the enormity of it.
Everybody's probably seen these pictures, but you don't really realize the devastation until you're right there.
There was no real desks or chairs or books or computers. Everything was just really a fine ground powder.
But you go across the street, you'll find computers, papers, everything that was in the Trade Center had blown through the windows of the buildings across the street or now in the buildings across the street.
This was a gym right across the street. The treadmills still standing.
That's me. Just looking out at the pile right now.
There were still areas that were on fire, burning, smoke, and now to see it just an empty, vacant lot.
Now the team looks back and remembers a place that doesn't exist anymore.
You'd think, man, there are going to be years cleaning this up. Now it's all cleaned. I mean, just like everybody else, we're wondering what they're going to do with it.
That is the big question now. Those local memories of Ground Zero are captured forever in a big envelope of photographs at the fire station, but some of those photographs are also available on the department's website. We have a direct link to those pictures, and that's right here on your screen right here. Through our website, it is yourinsidelasvegas.com. When you click there, just click on links.
Some amazing photographs, Dave. Thank you.